welcome to class. Today we have this interesting topic to solve. Okay, so we have solve 7x squared plus 6s equals to minus 2. If you look at this question, it's already telling us quadratic equation. So we're going to use quadratic formula to answer this. Now, before we state the formula for quadratic equation, let's see how standardly a quadratic equation looks like. A quadratic equation looks like this: x raised to the power of 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so a is the coefficient of x raised to the power 2, then b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant. So whenever you are given any quadratic equation, just try to express it like this so that you can know what you can identify what each of the letters stand for. Okay, it stands for. Alright, so let's arrange this. I will have my 7x squared plus 6x. This minus 2, I'm going to bring it to the other side so that nothing will be there. And remember what I said, that once a term crosses equality sign, the negative turns to plus. If it's plus, the plus turns to negative. That is, the sign will change. So this will change to plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is now equivalent to this, right? So if it is so, it then means that my A is equal to 7. My B is equal to 6. And my C is equal to 2. Now let's state the formula, the quadratic formula. Some people call it almighty formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is the formula. Let me enclose it. Alright. So we have x is equal to minus, what is my b? 6 plus or minus b squared is what? 6 squared minus 4 times a, 7 times c, 2 all over 2 times a, which is 7. Okay, so we'll continue here. Minus 6 plus or minus 6 squared gives me 36. 36 minus 4 times 7 times 2 gives me 56. 56 all over 2 times 7 gives me 14. Okay, good. We continue. This gives me minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 56. Because a smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, it's going to be a negative number. So it will be minus 20 all over 14. Alright. This, once you have the number inside the square root to be less than 0, it means that it's going to be an imaginary number. So this will be, the answer of this thing will be found in the complex plane. Okay, so we have minus 6 plus or minus square root of 20. Square root of negative minus is equal to I. So this is I because of this minus. Then this 20, we can express it as 4 times 5. Okay, and square root of 4 is 2. Then 5 doesn't have a perfect, it's not a perfect square, so we write it as square root of 5. Okay, so this gives me 2 square root of 5. So I have 2 square root of 5. So let me put it here. Square root of 5 all over 14. We simplify further. What do they have in common? I can factor out 2 here, right? So I have 2 bracket, 2 divide here, we have minus 3 plus or minus. I factor out 2 here, only I is remaining with root 5 all over 14. So this 2 will go here, 1, 2 goes here, 7. So that our answer will be, our x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 5 all over 7. So minus 3 plus I root 5 over 7, or minus 3 minus I root 5 over 7. So this is the answer, but these are the roots of this equation. Okay, so continue to follow me for more interesting questions and answer. Math is fun. Bye.